Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, and share. So, let's take a look at CAD JPY for this week. We would want to know where this price will be moving for this week. In order to be able to predict this price correctly, we would have to start from the higher time frame, right? So, I would want to see where this price will be moving for the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. So, now let's see this monthly time frame. We can see at first this was the level of 2020. During this period of 2020, CAD JPY has been giving us a bullish move. Then, throughout the year of 2020, we had a bullish move. We got to the year of 2021, CAD JPY also gave us a bullish move. Also, in the year of 2022, we also had a bullish move. It was, close to the almost the ending of, around that ending of 2022. Then CAD started dropping to our JPY. So this is the month of November. We had a bearish move in the month of November. This is the month of December. It also gave us a bearish move, and we are in the month of January. We have we are price at first give us a pullback. One of the reasons why candlestick wick is sticking at the top, because price has once spiked up to that level, which serves as a pullback. Now price has now retraced. It was corrected itself and it is dropping. Currently, we are still on a bearish move. Will I say and the month for this month of January is now it's over. So that is to tell you that there's more drop to be made for this month of January. So we expect CAD to JPY give us more bearish move. Let's see if we can make about 100 to 200 pips bearish move before this month end. I think we have about 2 more weeks for this month to end, right? So by the time that moment, let's see if that we will be able to make about 100 and let's target 150 to 200 pips for this month. That means more drop is to be made on this CAD JPY. We are expecting more drop. We can see that previously this price was trading above this our 10 period simple moving average, right? You can clearly see an higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. But right now, you can see that this price is now trading below this 10 period simple moving average. It has dropped. It is no longer above the moving average. It is now below. So this is an indication that this is a sell movement. We all know that this is a drop. So this is the level that I'll be watching out for, which is the level of 91. Currently, we are trading at 95. So, around that level of 91, I would want this CAD JPY to actually get to by the time this month will end. And if we don't hit it this month, then I believe by February, we should be able to hit this level. So that should be giving us about, for you to hit this level, that would be about 300 pips. So we still have, that is, I'm watching out for, for long-term traders or swing term traders like me. If you trade, into you trade and you watch out for next in 2 weeks or 3 weeks time before you grab your profit. What you would want to do is go long, right? Sorry, sell and be able to grab about 300 pips. That is exactly what I'll be targeting. I'm targeting 300 pips in 2-3 weeks time. We should be able to hit that level, by the way. So now that should now take us to the weekly time frame. We can see it again. You can see that this is a lower lows, and here happens to be a lower highs. You can see another lows, and this is a lower highs. If you take a look at this, to be another lows, and this will be seen as a lower highs. What next again? A lows. This lows has actually taken out this previous lows, right? So we still expect more drops to be made before price actually give us that, before maybe a reasonable pullback, we play out. So this is the level I think that I was talking about, right? 91. So if price can come to this level, which of 91, we about 300 pips, like I said before. So I'm targeting, if this price can give us about 300 pips, then I believe there will be a reasonable pullback on CAD JPY, where we are still bearish. Price is still trading below this 10 period simple moving average. So anyhow you would want to see it on CAD JPY, more drop is to come. We are still trading below this 10 period simple moving average. So definitely more drop is to come on CAD JPY. So now let's quickly take a look at the daily time frame. So you can see it again, once again. You can see at first we were having a bullish move. Right now we can see on the trend daily time frame. Like they always say, the trend is your friend. Do not go ahead and trade against the trend. This trend is giving us a bearish move. Do not go and say, okay, maybe price, you are thinking that price will start spiking up. No. Trade with your trend. Trade with what price is actually telling us. trade what you see and not what you think. So this price is dropping, so we have no other option to go ahead and sell. So basically we expect a more bearish move for this week on CAD JPY. I think last week that just finished, you actually had a bearish move. So this week that we are predicting for, we should also have a bearish move. So I believe more drop will play out on CAD JPY this week. And now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says. So basically see the same movement, right? So let's see if this pullback will play out. Once this pullback has played out on CAD JPY, then we can go ahead and sell. I think that would be a good opportunity to go ahead and sell. So let's wait for a pullback before we go ahead and sell for the week on CAD JPY.